Okay, so this question is about probability. So we've been given the probability tree. So Finley plays 2 tennis matches. The probability that he will win and that he will lose are shown in the tree diagram. So first match here, second match here. Question asks us, work out the probability that Finley wins both matches. So that's that he wins the first one and wins the second one. So actually I'm going to go up that first tree like that, so the first branch, and then up the second one. So as I'm going across, to work out the probability that he'll win and then win, I'm going to do 0.7 multiplied by 0.7. So times those two things together, and that gets me 0.49. So my answer to that first question is 0.49. Now, second one, the probability that he loses at least one match. So if he loses at least one match, the outcomes could be he could win the first one and then lose the second one. He could lose the first one, and win the second one, or he could lose both. Now, two different ways I could do this. Either I could work each of these out, so win and then lose and then win, or lose and then lose. Okay, so I could do that. That will get me win and then lose is 0.7 times 0.3, which is 0.21. Lose and then win is 0.3 times 0.7, so 0.21. Lose and then lose, 0.3 times 0.3, which is 0.09. Now, when I add those three together, I get 0.51. Now, the other way I could have done that is I know that these are the three outcomes that are not win and win. So if that's the four possible outcomes, in order to work out these ones, the whole of this must add up to 1. So I could have done 1 minus the 0.49 to get 0.51. So either method would work. Can you use that to try this question? So pause the video and try this question here. Okay, so wins both matches here. We've got 0.4 times 0.4, which is 0.16. Okay, loses at least one match. We've got the same possible outcome, so win and then lose. 0.4 times 0.6, 0.24. Lose and then win. That one, then that one. So again, 0.6 times 0.4. Lose and lose. 0.6 times 0.6, which is 0.36. So loses at least one match. If I add those together, so 10, 14, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0.84. And I can check because they add up to 1. So 2 marks for each of those.